Erokamano nya kwa Ramogi kumiero Ramogi TV ne weche manyien ma ilak seche gi ma kagi kacha magi moko kuom fond weche ma omiyo pek. Governors manoyiere counties 45 kod jolupgi chamo muma kawuono ka gidonjo e apisi ayanga tok yiero ma higani. Chiendo matiego jood bura manoyier dhi nyime mar ikogi ne chamo muma. Apisas mag IEBC manochung'ne yiere kuonde od bura obago ng'anyo mamuol ka gikwayo arita makare. Machiegni nyakoro moga jwang' nyinga Ochieng' Emmanuel. Apisas mag duol matayo yiero IEBC nobago wuoth mamuol kawuono kowuok e log tich margi ma Anniversary Towers nyaka kanisa mar AIC man Milimani kamalam ne ringre achiel kuomgi Daniel Musyoka ne otime manyocho negi kane obage ka gikwayo piny owacho mondo miyo jiw arita margi. Apisas go moting'o returning officer wacho ni gitiyo ka giluor kalure kod monj mosebedi kitimo ne moko kuomgi ka moko sawito ngimagi ahinya to kinde mag yiero. Apisas go mag IEBC okwayo josiasa mondo were gi buogo ngimagi kinde ka kinde ka gikwayo bende migepe mag piny owacho mondo omigi arita makare mane onego gitimo tich ka gionge kod luoro ahinya kinde yiero. Musyoka mane okwany ringre ne olo Tok Tok e kaunti ma Kajiado ichano iki kiny e gwenge ma Mwala.
Long live IEBC, long live!
We are tired of intimidation by the political class. We want this message to go straight to the political class that we are also human. We do not want to be intimidated. We do not want to be harassed in our tallying centers. We have had some of us who are even beaten, physical fight in the tallying centers. We even have presiding officers who manage elections at the polling centers. We had one of them in Eldas constituency who was shot at his leg, and today he has lost one of his legs. His leg was amputated. So we are saying that we need security. We need to be covered.
It is unfortunate that us, the political class, are being sworn in and celebrating the works of our hearts. We are going to the grave to bury our own. It is very painful. It is very heartening. And we want to say that we would like a Kenya where nothing like this is ever repeated.
Let us also be allowed to work so that at the end of the day we will be held accountable for our actions or lack of them. But where we are intimidated and forced to work in a way that is not in law, then we'll have problems as a country.
Kadhi weche motenore kod chamo muma ma governors motimore pacho ka indo dichima kawuono governor ma Kisumu manoyier Peter Nyang' Nyong'o kod jalupne Matthews Owilo chamo muma ka governor mar county ma Kisumu e tielo mar ariyo. Bang' chamo muma Nyong'o kod jalupne opoyo jopiny kuom keto geno kuomgi nyadiriyo kendo singo machopo mise mag dongruoge mane gisingo negi e manifesto nyasi mane oteli gi jang'ad bura Justin William Musyoka motimre lap ma Jomo Kenyatta e boma ma Kisumu.
12 of the assumption of governors.
And you, the people of Kisumu, have appreciated our collective achievement by giving yet another 5 years, a bit more, to build on that foundation. History. My manifesto is in circulation, and we will have some copies for you here today.
Our quest and promise enshrined within our Beach Moro manifesto passed the largest citizen participation event in this history. We promise to deliver every bit of that covenant with continuous consultation right from the village to the highest echelons of the county.
Kawang'ado tong' machiegni kanyo dhi e county Masea. James Orengo kod jalupne William Uduol beno chamo muma odiochieng' kawuono ka giketo singo mar bero ngima jodak ma Siaya. Orengo nowacho ni gidhi neno ni giloso nying Siaya kiwuoye kor tend gwenge ka bende nyasi no bag e tiegruok kata ka tiegruok ma Siaya KMTC.
Kenya, we have a budget of 1 trillion, and people will find it easy to count 1 trillion. 1 trillion. But counting 14 million votes in Kenya has become very difficult. Just 14 million. Even up to now, counting 14 million becomes very difficult. And we've got people who have brains, we're using technology, and therefore I pray to the people of Siaya, be calm. Be calm. Justice is going to be done. And the person who was truly elected as the President of the Republic of Kenya will get justice at the end of the day. As for now, it is work for us in order to deliver services to you.
Wanga dona modhi county Mama Bay Gladys Wanga na chama governor Rio county nyasi mano yore lukrela mulga Martha Karua wanga kanyakla kod jalup ne uyugi magwanga na chama mama lap Mama Bay nyasi mano yore kod jotelo mopogore.
I, Gladys Atieno Nyasuna Wanga, having been elected as governor of Homa Bay County, do hereby confirm that I have read and understood the specific leadership and integrity code.
This smooth transition, which has been facilitated by Governor Emeritus Owiti and his Deputy Arata, is to be commended. But first of all, my thanks to the people of Homa Bay for believing in Gladys Wanga and her worthy deputy, and for believing in the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and myself. We want to assure you that ours, with the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, is a success and victory deferred, and it's still coming home.
The county Mamigori ochila yako no chamo mwaka governor mara Rio mar county Mamigori kausingo tiko weche duto mane oketo kara singo mane oketo kinde campaign. Gavana mawuok okotho bado singo siro yako etije matayo county no oko singo ma jotelo mamoko ma county no bende oketo mar bere tiyo kamoro achiel.
Duto te wa respect gi kendo warwako duto nikech odiochieng' ma Koko wali wawacho kaka ng'ane ni wako mpira. Usipe. It's okay.
Dr. Ochilo George Mbogo Ayako do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people of the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Migori County. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I shall do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Kadoge County ma Nairobi, Johnson Sakaja no chamuma kaka governor ma Nairobi. Nyasi mano bagi karo maduong' mar KICC. Sakaja no singo bero county ma Nairobi motingo keto lwasi makare ne johala kendo keto ler. Nyasi no mano yore kod jatend piny moyier William Ruto e kind jotelo mamoko.
I, Sakaja Arthur Johnson, that the days of leaving your house and coming back in the evening to find a demolished structure are over in the county of Nairobi. That the days of innocent traders and hawkers just plying their trade because the administration has not provided for them being chased and bungled into rust-filled contraptions by my good officers in the county are over. That we will give our people the opportunity to do business, the opportunity to thrive, the opportunity to be who they're supposed to be.
Jalup Raila Odinga Martha Karua medo jiwo Homa Bay County ni loch maten piny dhi duogo negim. Kowe nyasi ma chamo mar gavana Homa Bay Gladys Wanga, Karua nowacho ni bura ma gichwalo e doho nigi teko moromo mar Azimio yudo loch mare.
As the father of devolution will ensure that 35% of the resources come to the counties. I want to end, I should have begun here, by telling you that I'm here with the full authority of Baba the Fifth. He sends his greetings and his congratulations to the governor of Homa Bay and her deputy. We want to ask you to remain steadfast. We will work together to restore our victory and to build Kenya together.
Kadhi county ma Kisii Simbarati norwaka yanka ka governor marari county no enyasi mano bagi lap magusi arati makao kar James Ongwae no singo medo chendo mag dongruok e county no.
Do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Kisii County. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Kaungado tong wadonje county Manyamira, Amos Nyariba mar county Manyamira no beda chiel kum governors mano chamo muma odiochieng' makawuono. Nosingo machwalo chenro mag dongruok ne jopiny e twak mare tok chamo muma.
Kuna wakati wa kutoa mazungumzo sana our ladies kutoka Nyamira County. Asante sana kwa mambo mazuri. Nafikiri wa County Assembly. Kwa hivyo ite mibaji mwingine.
Honorable Amos Nyariba do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Nyamira County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Wangado tong madhi county ma Embu. Governor mokwongo mamiye county ma Embu Cecily Mbarire no chamo muma lap ma kati group ma mbalariany mar Embu. Nyasi nota kod jang'ad bura Mary Kasango mano miye kanyakla kod jalupne Kinywa Mogo thuolo mar chako tich ayanga e county no. Nosingo matiyo kanyakla kod jotelo duto moyier ma ok odewo duond bura ma ng'ato wuoke kata kamano no yuago chako tich gi goyo mane governor mowuok Martin Omboro weyo maleo bil na 2.2 kosingo nono gi koloso kaka inyalo chun mago manikare.
Ladies and gentlemen, a county government depends on revenues allocated annually by Parliament under the Division of Revenue Bill as well as local revenue collections. The resources received are not adequate, while the scope of raising revenues internally is limited by the Constitution and the law. My administration commits to prudently manage these public funds, eradicate corruption and misappropriation of public resources. My government will ensure that our revenue collection is efficient, optimized as we seal all revenue leakages through digitization. Going forward, we shall not collect local revenue in form of cash. We are going fully digital, and we are going to do radical surgery in ECRA to make sure that we realize our potential.
County Manakuru, Susan Kihika no chamomo maka Governor Maradeke County no enyasi mani hoteli kod jang'ad bura Weldon Korir. Kom Governor Manakuru oseta kod Kinuth Yambugwa kod Lee Kinyanjui. Kihika ne en senator mar County no Manakuru.
Asante sana asistia Governor
do hereby swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Nakuru County. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
County Mabusia Laktar Polo Tuomo chamo makaka Governor Mararie County Mabusia enyasi mobagi lap ma ochun boma Mabusia ka nyasi no tele kod jang'ad bura Patrick Otieno mawuok e doho ma Migori Migori kanyakla kod Lucy Ambasi mawuok e doho Mabusia. Utuma kanyakla kod jalupne no singo bero ngima jodak Mabusia kokali chenro mag dongruok. Nyasi no yore kod jotelo moting'o center mawuok Mabusia Amos Wako kod madonjo kia mutata kanyakla kod weekly for Paranya.
I, Honorable Dr. Toma Paul Nyongesa, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Busia County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the same office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Kawadhie pape weche mag tuke kocha mar KCB Zedekezi Otieno kwa twak makende monywando jokanyo duto mag adhula e pacho kaka kayo machiero kendo tego weche adhula. Ziko wacho ni okum mako jolo mochiw kod FIFA inyo jotugo ka otiyo kod ranyisi mar tim mar Wakeini oyango ni okum no lornegi oko e tuke mag African Cup of Nations machwalo gi e piem mar World Cup ma Wakeini.
Our team had beaten Morocco. Morocco managed to get into the finals. So that means if we had gone to the tournament, most probably we could have been in the World Cup now. And these are things which people are just seeing and taking lightly. We need to be really serious with whatever we are doing as a country and in sports and football in particular. Yeah.
Team Kenya mar cricket oikore ni tuke mapek mandala par kod ariyo kinde ma piem mar Kenya Nepal series chakore lap tuke mag Akane bomani ma Nairobi. Tuke go chakore kod tuke abich mag T20 e kind tarik ma kawuono nyaka tarik 30 dweni kibiro luwogi kod tuke mamoko adek mar piem e piny mangima e kind tarik 2 dwe mar 9 nyaka tarik 5 dwe mar 9 higani.
So now it will be regular, like now next time they have to come to Nepal also, and this way the tournament goes, this way the series goes. So at the international level, fixture, it depends how the teams performs. If they performs and go one step forward, ahead, then the different teams altogether will be, facing each other. So this is the main motto behind this series.
Ya kwaramuka jwangero kamano kumbele okonde chako nyaka gikwe weche manyien makagi kacha tudri kod wakendo koromo sachiel ne weche moko manyien e chenro mar ang'ich welo nyinga Ochengi Manene.